Are you ready to take your IT skills to the next level? Welcome to RH358, Red Hat Services Management and Automation, where we empower you to excel in the rapidly evolving world of technology. By passing this test, you will learn how to configure, manage, and scale key services used in the data center. Let's meet our trainer, 𝗘𝗫𝟯🴶𝗶, who are expert level and completely up to date in the subjects they teach because they continue to spend time working on real-world industry applications. 𝗘𝗫𝟯🴶 has more than 10+ years of experience in Linux and related technologies, has experienced on multiple real-time industries-related projects. He trained more than 10,000+ students in a year. He's certified professionals with high grade having strong theoretical and practical knowledge. With this kinds of expertise which 𝗘𝗫𝟯🴶 has, let's see what we're going to learn in this course. Join RH358, Red Hat Services Management and Automation.